Welcome back to Ohana Abroad. I'm Alex.
And I'm Abbie. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
And that bell button. Ding! We're here in Los Angeles outside of DirtDog, one of the most remarkable hidden gems that we found.
This food is a must try. We're going to walk you through some of the tips, tricks, and facts that you need to know about this restaurant and what to order as well. The most important thing that you need to know about this location is that the lines can get long.
And the parking is horrible. Enough of that. Let's go in and get our grub on. One of my favorites to get here is called the Mud Dog. It's a combination of the red dog and the green dog. The green dog is wrapped with a center cut bacon with a chimichurri sauce and a guacamole spread. And the red dog is also wrapped in cut bacon with a spicy red sauce and a chipotle aioli. I usually get the pretzel bun with it, and the fire hot Cheeto corn is something you don't want to miss. It's very delicious, and you definitely get that taste of the fire hot Cheetos. DirtDog always brings in foot traffic because the food is delicious. The atmosphere, they're always bumping some old school hip hop. The only bad thing is that the parking lot, it gets too full. There's not that much parking, but don't forget to write on a note or on a dollar bill and put that on their wall.
Here are some tips and facts about this place. DirtDog was inspired by Los Angeles' street food. It is also Los Angeles' best hot dog.
They also have a location in Las Vegas that we've been to, and it was really good. And they also recently just opened a new place here in Pasadena. If you guys enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button for more videos in the future. Ohana out.